Jackson from Priumapress machine. Now we are in Shanghai exhibition, which is the best and professional machine exhibition. Now this is our CNC hydraulic, CNC electric press brake. This model, and with our new logo, Prima Pro, is a high version from Priumapress, selected only for the high standard customers. And this one is with the Delem DA66S controller, with the Fin Pro power and the single weight die with the turning. It has very little noise, high speed, accuracy, and so on. Many advantages. And less than 100 tons weight pressure, the electric press brake will be a good choice for customer. Welcome to contact Priumapress to know more information about this machine. Thank you.